Hello and welcome to GTU exam paper solution of engineering drawing June 2014. My name is Arpan Pandit and I am from Atmiya college. In this video lecture we will see the whole paper solution of this exam paper. Now let's have a look at the question number 1. The first question says that we need to list major instrument used for the engineering drawing. Now, instruments are very crucial in any sort of drawing. We need to have proper set of instruments. For that, let's have a look at one video.
And its uses, lines and types of lines. First, we will see what is engineering drawing. Engineering drawing is a type of technical drawing which is used to clearly define the requirements for engineered items such as views, dimensions, and necessary information. More than drawing pictures, it is also a language, a graphical language that communicates ideas and information from one mind to another. Most important, it communicates all needed information from the engineer who designed a part to the worker who will make it. Application of engineering drawing is used in ships, manufacturing, aerodynamics of automobiles, constructions, etc. Let us see different drawing instruments used in engineering drawing. In this we have a drawing board, drawing paper, pens, clips or adhesive tapes, pencils, T-square, set square, scale, drafter, roller scale, protractor, French curves, compass and eraser.
Hey, it's time to concentrate now.
Now let us describe each and every instrument. Drawing board is rectangular in shape and is made of wood about 25 mm thick. It is cleated at the back by two battens to prevent warping. The surface of the board should be smooth and it is used to keep the drawing paper. There is a working edge at the side of the drawing board. While selecting a drawing paper, we have to be sure that the size of the paper is smaller than the drawing board. To hold this drawing paper, we use pins or clips or adhesive tapes. Pencils are basically used to draw. The accuracy and appearance of a drawing depends on the quality of the pencils used. The grade of pencils, H, 2H and HB are mostly used. Next is the T-square. It is made of two parts, the stock and the blade, which are joined together at right angles by means of screws and pins. T-square is fitted at the side of the drawing board and it slides along the edge of the board and is used to draw horizontal straight lines. Set square is triangular in shape with one of the angles as right angle. Two forms of the set square are generally used. One having angles 45, 45 and 90 degree and the other is 30, 60, 90. Set square is a combination with T-square is used to draw lines at an angle. A scale is used to draw lines of specific length. Protractor is flat and semicircular in shape. Its circumferential edge is graduated to 1 degree divisions and is numbered at every 10-degree interval and is readable from both the ends. The protractor is used to draw or measure angles. The combination of a T-square, a set square, scales and a protractor is a drafter. Its one end is clamped by means of a screw at the edge of the drawing board. The other end is adjustable. It has a scale which is at 90 degree and also has a protractor which can be rotated at certain angles. This scale can be moved anywhere we want within its limits. Next is a roller scale. It has a roller in it. It is used for drawing vertical lines, horizontal lines, parallel lines, angles and circles. Next instrument is a French curve. They are made in various shapes, one of which is shown here. French curve is used for drawing curves which cannot be drawn with a compass. It is used to draw curves like ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, etc. A compass is used to draw a circle of a specific radius and an arc at a specific distance. Soft Indian rubber is widely used to erase pencil drawings. The eraser should be such that it does not spoil the surface of the paper. Next we will see lines and types of lines. Just as in any textbook, we are taught to use the correct words for making correct sentences. Similarly, in engineering drawing, the details of various objects are drawn by different types of lines. Various types of lines are used in engineering drawing. Now let us see the different types of lines. First is a continuous thick line. This line is used to display outline and edges of the main drawing. Next is the continuous thin line. This line is basically used for dimension, extension, projection, leaders, hatching, etc. Next is a continuous thin freehand line. This line is used to show short break or irregular boundaries. Next is the continuous thin line with zigzags. This line is used to show long break. Next is the dashed line. This line is used to show hidden edges of the main object. Next is the chain thin line, long dash dotted. This line is used to represent the center line for circles and arcs. Next is the chain thin line with thick at the ends. This line is used to represent the location of a cutting plane. Let us take a quick review of what we've learned in this video lecture. First, we have seen that engineering drawing is a type of a technical drawing which is used to clearly define the requirements for engineered items such as views, dimensions, and necessary information. It is also called as graphical language and helps to communicate. Next, we have seen different drawing instruments used in engineering drawing such as drawing board, drawing paper, pins, clips or adhesive tapes, pencils, T-square, set square, scale, drafter, roller scale, protractor, French curves, compass and eraser and their uses. Finally, we have seen different types of lines used in engineering drawing to draw an object. So this is the overview of our video lecture.
In this video we have seen that how we can use the drawing instruments. Now we will see that if this kind of question is asked in exam, now how to write and what to write. First of all, draw a tabular kind of form and write down serial number, name of the instrument, how it looks, and uses of it. First we'll see is let's a compass. Give a rough nomenclature how compass looks like. What will be the use of the compass? To draw circle or arcs. Next one is set square. There are two types of set square. First one is 60, 30, 90. Draw identical shape to like this over here. We have drawn this first one. Now the another one. We have got another set square that is of side 90, 45, 45. So we'll draw a replica of it on the paper. Like this. Now what is the use of the set square? To draw projections or line at an angle. Next one is T-square. Next one is T-square. As the shape suggests the T, then the shape would be like T only. Like this. What is the use of the T-square? With use of the T-square, we can draw a horizontal line or vertical line in reference to the drawing board. To draw horizontal or vertical lines. Next one is drawing board. Generally, for the mechanical student, half imperial size drawing board is used, which means that you need to have A2 size paper on your drawing board. Drawing board will look like this. And what is the use of the drawing board? To hold the drawing sheet. Next one is roller scale. Roller scale will be having a roller fitted on its jaw so that it can slide on the paper very easily. What is the use of the roller scale? Roller scale can be used for drawing parallel lines. That means that to draw parallel lines or projections. Next one is protector. Next one is protector. Protector is sometimes fitted on the set square also, and it is also available individually. As you can see that this is a 180 degree protector, so we will draw 180 degrees. Another type of protector available in the market are 360 degree protector, which means that we can accommodate 360 degrees on it. Protector will look like this. And what is the use of the protector? To draw line at specific angle. Next one is pencil. Now if you look at the pencils, it looks very small and very unimportant thing sometimes, but in the engineering drawing, pencil is very much important. Generally, any sort of engineering drawing must be carried out with the H or 2H pencil. General pencils are available in the market are HB pencil, we should not use those HB pencil. The reason, HB pencils get smudged. If you see that we have drawn some sort of line over here or something we have written using H or 2H pencil. Now when we rub our hand on it, it won't get smudged. On another part, HB pencil drawing can be smudged, so our drawing will be spoiled. So use H or 2H pencils only for the engineering drawing. Use of the pencil is to draw any drawing, in bracket H or 2H only. So these are the instruments which we can use to draw engineering drawing. Now we'll have a look at the another question. This question says that we need to state the use of the French curve. In the previous part of the previous question, we have seen that French curve has been used in the video. Now, to be very specific, what is the use of the French curve? Generally, French curves are used to draw any sort of engineering curves like ellipse, parabola or hyperbola. Now, there are so many methods to draw these kind of engineering curves in which we will trace the point. If we draw those curves using our hand, then it may be some sort of wavy, but if we use the French curve, then it is very much easy and it is very much smooth. Now let's have a look at it, that how we can use the French curve. I'll show you with some example.